Hey guys, how's it going? Mike the Tech here, and today I'm going to show you how to use VCam inside of Camtasia Studio. Now you may have noticed when trying to use Camtasia with VCam that it doesn't actually get rid of the background. It'll actually give you a square window with a black background, and even if you try and remove a color in the background, because it's black, it'll likely remove some of the features of your clothing or accessories or hair or whatever it happens to be that's black on the screen. So you want to make sure that you follow a few steps before you use VCam with Camtasia, and it is a pretty smooth process once you get the hang of it on ways to get your background erased pretty cleanly, or at least somewhat cleanly, using XSplit VCam, so you don't have to use a real green screen. So the first thing we're going to do is we're actually going to open up Paint and make a green screen, a virtual green screen for us to use. So I'm going to go to Paint, and I'm just going to go into our colors, Paint Bucket tool, and choose a nice screen. And I'm going to hit Save to our desktop and call it green.png. Now, one of the cool features of XSplit VCam is you can choose a background. So I can make it look like I'm here, blur it out a little bit, and make me look real fancy. But we can add a custom one too. So I'm going to go ahead and hit this plus sign, browse local files, and we're going to find that green.png background here, and now I'm officially on a green screen, and we can adjust the blur. That way there isn't much blur, because it should be a pretty clean image. We don't want any fuzz or noise in the background. And then after we get a nice green screen background, we can go into our Camtasia recorder, and I'm going to try and do this without messing up our main recording, but I'm going to hit record, and we will record the screen. And pretty cool, whatever, recording the screen. Let's open some stuff up. That way it looks like we're doing stuff. And then let's hit F10 to stop recording. Now, once the recording is over, it should open up, Camtasia, the editor. And my version of Camtasia is messed up right now. I switched school districts, so the license is acting a little funny, but it's a great program. I highly recommend it. But yeah, so now we have this second layer with our webcam, and all we have to do is go over here to Visual Effects and drag Remove a Color onto our webcam. And we're going to choose our color from the color picker and hit that background. And we're going to make it a little bit softer, just slightly. And then up the tolerance just slightly on mine. And that looks pretty good. It doesn't look like there's hardly any green. You can adjust it a little bit more if you'd like, just to get things to your liking. But it works pretty darn good for setting up a non-green screen VCam based recording within Camtasia. It works really nice, and it layers over everything, so you can actually adjust it and move it. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully I got all this myriad of recording programs working properly so you can see the whole process. But aside from that, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and peace.